actually very light snow. It is powder.
Yep.
Yeah, I have no place to put it. That's the problem.
Welcome to Antarctica. Oh shoot.
Wow.
Welcome to Antarctica, everybody. Whatever you do not fall.
Yeah. You see, it weighs nothing. It weighs nothing.
Good. Mr. Erickson, come and help us, please.
Carlingford, here we come.
Oh, shoot. Mr. Erickson, our friend, our dear friend from Montana, he misses the snow. Please come and help us. Will you please come here on the next flight? Montana to Boston. Because we need help.
We show this video next year when it's sweltering hot in Sydney.
Uh-oh. Yep.
And we feel fortunate.
Mr. Erickson, please do not miss the store. If you really do, help yourself to go helping us. Enough of teasing Mr. Erickson. Okay. You have enough video, Papa?
I think so.
Papa had a good lunch. Lots of avocado sandwich. Okay. Please pray for us. We get out in one piece. Thank you.
This is ridiculous.
Oh. Oh. Daddy is huffing and puffing. Oh no, look at that. Yeah, good job. Because it's light.
It's light. It's very light snow. Weighs nothing. It's a shovel that's heavy.
What is heavy?
Shovel.
The shovel itself?
The shovel itself. It's the weight.
Oh, it's a cheap shovel, Robert. Maybe we need
We
a
have a plastic shovel if this comes.
Oh, this is not plastic. I guess the end of I guess. Yeah, the shovel itself is heavy. Okay.
Anyway, so we close the screen door. It's gonna get ultra cold.
Okay, I have to go.